it's Jayeeta and welcome back to another exciting video. So, dull hair, dry hair, rough hair, dullness, split ends and brittle hair, straw-like texture and stiffness. इन सारे hair problems related words आजकल काफ़ी ज़्यादा common हैं. And all these problems occurs not only due to hair coloring or heat styling but also due to some external aggressors like pollution, weather change and UV rays. Now the question arises, what is the solution? देखो भाई solution तो एक ही हो सकता है and that is proper caring. But in our daily busy lifestyle, this is just impossible to make some DIY products and to try them out. So क्या कर सकते हैं हम? The right thing is you have to choose the right products for your hair care routine. And in this scenario, my one and only preference is always none other than this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5, the entire range. Well guys, from this Total Repair 5 range, I have these three products. The first one is the Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. Then next I have this Restoring Conditioner and the third one is the Smoothing and Repairing Serum. Well, so now let me tell you a very interesting story of mine. That is, in case you don't know, I'm a big fan of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, okay? And it was when I read in college basically. So one day after returning home from the college, I was just watching a television show and that's when I first time saw the advertisement of this Total Repair 5 range where Aishwarya showed us and told us all the benefits of these products. And after watching the video, trust me guys, I was super impressed. And इतना impressed हो चुकी थी कि after watching that video, only one thing that was continuously revolving in my mind, that is I have to try this product at any cost. And now, whenever I face any hair related issues like rough hair, dryness, brittleness, split ends, anything, L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 has been always a savior for me. Because this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 is the one solution of 5 problems, that is dehydration, brittleness, split ends, straw-like texture and stiffness. And one more very exciting fact, that is L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 is now even better as it has the keratin excess in it which penetrates deep into the hair fiber, hence giving the most quick and effective results. So basically there are 3 steps of using this range. So the first step is this Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo which is powered by 4% repair concentrate with keratin excess. Then the next step is this Restoring Conditioner which is powered by 9% repair concentrate with keratin excess. And the last step is this Repairing and Smoothing Serum. You can use this shampoo and the conditioner on a daily basis, on a regular basis, and use the serum once in a week. Now just let's have a look on its application. Well, so पहले मैं shampoo apply कर रही हूँ and this is the shampoo and this is how the texture of the product is. The shampoo and the conditioner together, they are known to aid penetration into hair and helps repair and reinforces fiber strength for silky and healthy looking hair. So this is the texture of the Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. Well, so when you are done with the repairing shampoo, then it's time to apply the conditioner. So take the conditioner and apply it from mid-lengths to ends of the hair, coating each strand well. Then leave your hair at least for 1 minute and meanwhile, let's seat the conditioner on your hair. And after that, rinse it out. This repairing shampoo and the restoring conditioner together, they help to get rid of the dry and frizzy hair and also they hydrates and repairs the damaged hair. Guys, when you are done with the shampoo and conditioner, then you should apply the serum. Now this is how the texture of the Total Repair 5 Repairing and Smoothing Serum is looking. Okay, so you have to take a few drops of the serum onto the palm of your hand and the amount of the serum depends on the length of your hair. Rub your hands together and distribute evenly along the length of your hair. paying particular attention to the ends. You don't have to rinse the serum, just leave in. This serum can also be used on completely dry hair prior to combing for frizz-free and smoothing. Well, so now this is the before and after comparison picture, and you can clearly see the difference. This range has helped me a lot. It has completely restored the health of my hair and it repairs the damage that I had. Guys, I have struggled so much in the past to find out the right products for damage repair and nourishment that is long lasting and effective on my hair. And this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 has provided us an easy method to solve all of these problems. पहले मेरा split ends का problem बहुत ज़्यादा था and मेरा hair fall बहुत ज़्यादा होता था, लेकिन after using this range, my hair fall problem has reduced a lot and now my hair is so soft, so shiny, glossy and smooth at the same time. And it's like 5 problems fixed with just one solution. So I'm definitely looking forward to use this in my weekly hair care routine, as I absolutely love this range and I have seen that how it can be effective while using it on a regular basis. Now one more information, that is the price point. So the 192.5 ml shampoo is priced at ₹179 rupees. Then the conditioner, again 192.5 ml of this conditioner is priced at ₹209 rupees. And the smoothing and repairing serum is priced at ₹175, 40 ml का है. So now as a quick note, I can say using this range, I mean using this product is definitely worth it. And so please give it a try. I will give the links, I mean the purchase links and all the other details in the description box below. So don't forget to check that. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if really that, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also मुझे अपने सारे social networking site पे like YouTube, Instagram and Facebook पे ज़रूर follow करना. So I will see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए take care, stay happy, stay blessed and most importantly stay safe. Love you and bye bye.